No way, bro. Damn, bro. The wheels looking mad shiny. Yeah, no, mine look poverty compared to that, man. That's crazy. Even though I got the wheels, bro, I still want these ones. Like, they just look so good, especially like in the lighting right now. Yeah, we need to put everyone on KCs, bro. Yeah, this thing's looking all dirty, man. Got little spots and everything right there. That boy shit is clean, though. Dude, I need a carbon hood. Like, this makes the car look so much more aggressive, dude. Like, what do you guys think? Like, a carbon hood on that? Or maybe we keep it carbon for a little bit and then I can, like, I don't know. I want to paint match it, but paint's stupid expensive. So I'm like, maybe we just wrap the whole car. Or keep it exposed carbon, because I think that looks sick. Like, it just makes the car look more, like, mean, bro. Alright, so I don't even think I told you guys what we're doing. We're actually heading to a car meet right now. We got the boy Ramy in front of us. Dude, this thing would look dope on some KCs, huh? Like, what is he rocking right now, bro? He got some stock wheels. Put this man on some KCs. And then I think we got a couple of the AMG boys behind us, and then Melvin and Christian are right behind us. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head to this meet right now. Should be dope. We're actually really early, so I'm gonna see if they give us like shitty parking or good parking. Because every time I pulled up to a meet early, or before I'm supposed to, I get shit parking. STL goes crazy, bro. White and red? Nuts combo. Hold up. Okay, on the red wheels? On the red weldies? That's kind of crazy, actually. Kind of like it. Should I color match my wheels like the Hellcat?
Oh, I didn't see it.
You didn't see it?
I was blind.
You gotta go check it out. He's got color matched wheels to this thing.
I see this car.
Oh, with the parachute is crazy. Oh, nuts. You want to guess what that is? Dude, I will.
Your turn now.
Dope. He's got the manifold sticking out and everything. crazy. I don't know if you guys saw that. Woo. Oh, that sounds like bombs going off, man. This guy right here. Bro, what? That is so loud. I don't even know if I want to get any closer. Bro, no way. This shit's so low, he has to back out of this thing is super nice. No way, bro. What is going on here? That's not good.
Hey, bro.
What's up,
Can you
man?
help us to push the bike?
Alright, I think it's finally clearing out to where I can start leaving. I had to help those dudes push the bike. I thought my camera was recording, but it was not. It's unfortunate. Hopefully he figures it out and the bike is good. It kind of sucks. Whether you have a car, a bike, whatever. When something's not working and that's your main form of transportation, that's kind of shitty. That's the car that like just fully blew up. There was like smoke coming out of that thing earlier. So yeah, hopefully everyone gets their cars fixed, man.
Another day, I wake up, find my purpose, what's my worth? Sun is out, but you still cloudy. Wipe them tears up off your shirt. Could be worse, so I put in work. All this pain, gotta put it in my verse. Marijuana straight, hell, put it in reverse. Since I was a baby, felt like I was cursed. Another